Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered about the giants of the ocean? The creatures that swim in the deep blue and sing amazing songs? Today, we're going to learn all about whales. Let's draw some whales.
Are whales really big?
You bet. Whales are the largest animals on Earth, even bigger than elephants and dinosaurs. The biggest whale of all, the blue whale, can be as long as 3 school buses lined up in a row.
3 school buses? That's huge!
It certainly is. And did you know there are 2 main types of whales?
2 types of? What are they?
Good question. There are toothed whales, like orcas, or killer whales, that hunt for their food, like fish and squid. They are actually a type of toothed whale, even though they have whale in their name. And then there are baleen whales.
Baleen whales? What's baleen? That's a funny word.
Baleen whales don't have teeth. Instead, they have these long, brush-like plates in their mouths called baleen. They take in huge gulps of water and then push the water out, trapping tiny little creatures. Like krill, which look like tiny shrimp in their baleen. It's like a giant strainer for their food.
So they eat really tiny things even though they're so big. That's funny.
It's how they get all their energy. And speaking of funny or amazing, how about how whales breathe? Whales are mammals, just like us. That means they breathe air just like you do. But they live in the ocean, so they have to come up to the surface to breathe. They have a special hole on top of their heads called a blowhole. When they come up, they blow out old air and water vapor, and it looks like a big spout.
I've seen pictures of that. It looks like a fountain. Do whales sleep?
They do, but it's a bit different. They can't just fall fast asleep like you do, because they need to remember to breathe. So they often sleep with half of their brain awake, or they take short naps while slowly swimming or just floating. And whales are also incredible travelers.
Do they go on vacation?
You could say that many whales migrate thousands of miles every year. They travel from cold waters, where they feed in the summer, to warmer waters, where they have their babies in the winter. It's a very long journey, and one of the most amazing things about whales, especially humpback whales, is their singing. Whale songs can be very long and complicated, and they can travel for many miles underwater. They use their songs to communicate with each other, to find mates, and maybe even just to say hello.
That's like a giant underwater concert. So, whales are big. They eat tiny things, they breathe through a blowhole, they travel far, and they sing. Whales are so cool.
I certainly think so. But they need our help to keep their ocean home clean and safe. Please remember to reduce plastic, help clean up beaches, and learn more about how to protect marine animals. Every creature in the world, big or small, plays an important part. Let's all do our best to protect them.